Alright guys, I am back with my last mega box out of my inner carton here. Last one of the series for our series 4. I don't believe I will be getting any more of these, so I've been waiting because I don't want it to end. It's just so much fun. So let's get right to it. This is the last one for a while. This has been a fun experience, I can tell you that much. I don't know why I enjoyed this so much, but yeah. Let's see what we got in our last box here. Kind of slid out there. There we go. Here's our packs. We will get started. Pack number 1. Let's hope for a good set with our last box. After this, I'm going to have to put everything together. Show all the good stuff. But give me some luck here, guys, as we reach our last pack. Okay. We've got a Monero. Number 18. We've got... Is that... Yeah, Crypto Winter. 27. Inverted Jenny. Oh, that's a nice rainbow holofoil. And Karma, back with your bone. Thank you for joining. Nice inverted Jenny rainbow holofoil. Number 11. Ooh, we got a Ronald Reagan iced foil. Number 4. And a Satoshi. Number 33. Very good. First pack down. Pack number 2. First one here, we've got a hot wallet. Nope, don't show you that. Number 39. Vincent Van Gogh, RC. 16, that's a short print. Nice. There we go. That's what I was waiting for in one of the other videos, saying one of these would be nice in a foil. So we've got a matrix, parallel matrix holofoil in this $5 silver. That's really neat. Very nice and shiny. I like the shininess. 1896 $5 educational note, number 9. Very nice. Got another Reagan. And we got a Dogecoin. 66. Pack number 3. What's it gonna be? We're starting with an Ethereum. Number 2. And we got this guy, Euclid, number 31. There we go. We got a rainbow holofoil in this bill. That's the Not Guild 25. Very nice and shiny. Another inverted Jenny. This guy, Jack Dorsey, number 55. 3 down. Pack number 4. Carmen, thank you for the background music, by the way. I'm sure everybody enjoys the weird sounds of you chewing on a giant bone right there. We got a cold wallet. 39 short print. Another inverted Jenny. 11. Another Bill Gates. I'm going to have to give away some of these Bill Gates. I've got quite a few now. Rainbow holofoil, Bill Gates. Back up, please. Not into my book. Very nice. 62. Got a Litecoin. 28. And this silver certificate, that's what I want in a holofoil. That would be cool. Number 59. Alright, 4 down. Pack number 5. Let's get something good. We got some coins. That would be the Morgan dollar. 64. Got Helen of Troy, RC. Number 7. Got Barksy, who at least there's an iced foil of Barksy, Banksy. 43. Got Moad's purse. 48. GI bit, Bitcoin. Number 21. 5 packs down, 3 left. Oh, this goes too quick. When you just open them this fast, I don't know. Well, it is what it is, right? Ooh, can you feel the curve? Can you see that? All right. We've got a Liberty. Standing Liberty quarter, number 5. We've got the Pablo Picasso, RC. Number 37. Nice. There is public occurrences. Here's a serial number Gemstone Refractor. You can see the gemstones all around. And the red, is that another garnet? Ooh, 12 of 75. I mean, what am I looking at? 17 of 25, number 29. So, out of the 25, let's double check. Do I have... You know what? I don't think I have that one yet. I'm gonna look. What's out of 25 here? Okay. Out of 25 is a ruby. That's a ruby. So that's pretty good. That's the lowest numbered card that I have. Beneath that would be an onyx, which would be a 1 for 1. A sapphire would be 1 out of 5. A gold is 1 out of 10, and aquamarine is 1 out of 15. This is a ruby at 1 out of 25. So that's pretty good. Citrine is above that, 1 in 40. Jade is above that, 1 in 45, which I have a jade. No, I don't have a jade because that's in the collector's pack. That one is exclusive to a collector's pack, jade, by the way. Opal is exclusive to this master pack, which I do have. Yeah, and they go up from there. So this is probably the most rare one I have as far as a serial numbered refractor. So that's very cool. I'm very happy with that. Very nice. Ooh, and then we got a parallel rainbow holofoil Bitcoin GI bit. Excellent. Don't have one of those. Number 21. And another silver certificate, 59. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. All right, 2 packs to go. 2 packs to go. Got a ruby. That's great getting a ruby. All right. I'm happy with that. All right, we got this guy. What's his name again? Jacob Beam. 49. Another GI bit Bitcoin. Number 21. Got a Helen of Troy, but at least we got a parallel matrix holofoil Helen of Troy. Very nice. Number 7. Got another Bitcoin. Number 70. And regular public occurrences. Number 29. All right. That's those. This is the last pack. Last pack of Series 4, guys. That's sad. They've been sold out of these, as far as I can tell, everywhere for a while. Unless they still have them at GameStop, would be the only place I know. I ordered mine straight from Cardsmiths. We've got an Ethereum for the last pack, number 2. Got a Lotus, Black Lotus, number 40. Got another Vincent van Gogh, but this one's in a parallel matrix holofoil. Very nice. That'll be the last sparkly one of them all. Ooh, actually, that's very cool to come with the iced foil. Bitcoin, number 70. Very nice. Don't have that one like that. And another Satoshi. There's another Satoshi. Very nice. So that's pretty much it. I'll go ahead and show real quick here. The only things that are going to compare are that Meta Rare, which that one, the MR number 2, that one's definitely a rare one. But the only other numbered ones I have, like I was saying before, are out of the 45, the 149, the 50, and the 99. Those are the only other numbered ones that I have. And now I get to add in the ruby. Throw the ruby into that collection. Get all those together, and that is it. Put all these other ones in here. I'm going to put that on there. And I'm sure at some other point I'll go through my whole book of all the nice cards that are in there. But that's for another episode. That's way too many cards. And these videos have been taking long enough. So, for everybody who has joined me through the series, thank you so much. For anybody who's getting into this, the only reason I did all this is to show you kind of what's in here. Like I said many times, I think these cards are very nice if you were into that sort of thing. But either way, thanks for joining me. I will see you guys hopefully some other time in some other video. Thanks again. Later.